Considered as a person of interest in the murder of.
Well, here we are, live, Lakeport, California. Some of these photos were taken as early as February the 8th, and here we are all the way into the 20th, and still anticipating more and more and more rain.
Yeah, watch all the trucks can make it.
Really?
I would love, like, if there's one nearby to smash through.
Yeah. Something else though, huh?
Look, it says no trespassing, except ducks. It can be
This is crazy.
Have a
I
little
can't
photo for your
believe this
spot,
water is
okay,
way up
Colin,
here.
shit.
Robin Slough, the lake is getting ready to touch the road. It's creeping up. I watched it because we live in Lucerne. So every day we drive, we've been seeing it go. I'm going to take a picture for Facebook tonight because it's like fingers. The lake is going to touch.